Ibrahim Mahama sabri amino kasai Ibrahim Mahama abusua ni bu fu gidigidi pa ama sabri de ni company Dzata cement and Dzata cement na abusua na mo de press release e de about one thing.
Dzata cement,
right? Dzata,
Yes.
Dzata cement,
Yes.
Dzata cement,
Yes.
The Dzata cement.
Concerning obi a omo ye twa cement fake no e de frafra ni Dzata cement no.
So you could see, look at the difference. Share. More.
Because the cement no very affordable. Now so enshada ni in the market said the ubehu diamond cement ne gas cement ne dangote cement no. Now the story is very long. Make sure say ube video na mana kwa wie na if you are subscribed to this platform wonka share kwa ho. Make sure to follow this page by bibiara na update bi be koso bia no wonsa bitimaka. Now let's start with the story. The story is very short abusuya. There was these two amazing guys na omo eba big blocks. Now they explain in the video say abusuya omo use Dzata cement for a very long time. So when they bought this cement, they examined say bako deeper, bako light. So omo try say they are going to look around the sack no normal say aden na ama bako deep, bako light. Now when they open it, they saw say omo the cover sack no. So it could be say ngofo etwa cement ni mugum. Now this is the video that was trending.
Ya koto Dzata normal juma de bia cement ayi so and Dzata na ayi so ya koto bi na ye bie ni who different delete la ye dem mama he ko jaja rough o mi abro mi pesa video enti share eni me bie fufuro no we Dzata nka say ya koto fufuro aba he mu je o. So look at the colors very well. Check it. Dzata ni the color no. Okay, now here we su Dzata na bio. Move here we su. Look at the two colors. So you could see, look at the difference. Share. More. This is rare Dzata and where then fa bag na ngasa na mo share. Dzata, the same Dzata. Okay. Yeah, share sack no ho no. Any who say not knowing no. O share sack no ho dey who say aha no ma patch style bi sa he. Aso ma patch we patch it looks complete, but we don't patch bag no all around patch yeah Ibrahim Mahama meso ma oni nda ho na say obi sell market no why yes wa o product no ye ni ji ho pan ti hwe yi na obi anse na man why yeah that say one na o ye susu yes wa.
So after this video went viral, Kofo Bebre na a report no mo tag Ibrahim Mahama any Dzata cement and Dzata cement abusuya. The name no is whatever. And na almost so it is as me omo bo anyo so omo dwa lie. I am say someone has put millions of Ghana cedis, millions of dollars establishing a cement manufacturing company called Dzata cement. Na Kofo bisu twemi gumi ya dabi omo bo anyo so. So this is how they released the press statement. Was a public announcement. No, I said Dzata cement has become aware of recent videos circulating online showing bags of cement allegedly linked to our brand. After careful review, we can confirm that the cement shown in that video is not genuine Dzata cement. Omo say video no omo ho pa can say video na trend dey cover me ankasa personally. The camera studios repost here trying to make it go viral. Said be ya nkofo behu na aduru soro na omo say nkofo epese omogu company animals because the cement it is the cheapest cement in the country currently. I think it is at 55 cedis or so and then kind of 190 or 100 cedis or so and 85. So you could see say the price near low but nkofo be pese omo tarnish the company's name. Now let's continue reading. Unfortunately, fraudsters have tempered with our packaging, opening the new Dzata cement bags, replacing the contents with inferior cement and resealing them for resale. Or say omo cement no omo hu say akromfo bi akoto omo cement ni bi na omo use wi na afei omo asan the fake cement bi asan gum no omo asan sili na omo ton. This is not an issue unique to Dzata cement. Counterfeiting and bag tampering have long been a challenging facing the cement industry in Ghana. What sets us apart is our swift action. With the support of the law enforcement, the culprits have already been apprehended and investigations are ongoing. The pakro yes ade busuya sabri de omo de eye ntoto ye gwa kwamu a sa ni pei yere ne kofa emra kwan so na omo chemu a eye sa eye enwoma yi a ekoso so bi kota cement na obi eyisi no mo se edoso ya de bi eha the cement industry no we ye Ghana ha sei. So right now na de omo de ne de mo down so no se omo no ohu ade na oba beteki action kasanse video no by do 24 hours omo release a press statement a omo de state e de Ghana for say there be enyo omo na omo sahye saadi ase. We want to assure our customers and partners that Dzata cement production quality remains unchanged. Every bag we manufacture undergoes strict quality control at our factory. The problem is not criminal tampering. No, Dzata products quality. And I'm about to protect our value customers. Purchase Dzata cement only from authorized distributors and retailers. Report any suspicious or tempered bags to our hotline. We appreciate the trust you place in Dzata cement. Together with the industry stakeholders, we remain committed to delivering the highest quality cement proudly made in Ghana while fighting against fraud that hurt customers and the industry at large. I wish you much more Dzata cement dear no omunim say adie ekoso yi na busuya omu ensan hyase. Now after that they say you be akoto Dzata cement make sure say obeto free authorized distributors omo a onim say asema die cement no ton okoto na ho ba asema bitima san call because ngofo bi dia frafa atonto no fake ogina kwa ho to na de kona say ko bi na enya na obudu no ni ho. So make sure say where you're buying from no a trusted source man koto free ba bi better because of the price yes abeboka obeto ba fi o de besi pillar nso ye na pillar na san ho no o de besi dan nso from buy na say ebubu. So make sure to buy from authorized distributors and retailers said the ya ehun ko ba asem we response Dzata cement immediately say omo say video no cover na no omo e de ba bontia omo create awareness say people should be careful and almost ensure omo customers say omo they produce quality cement in the country at the cheapest price. Use the Dzata cement that make sure to go purchase some for yourself. Say the or building project if you are with my camera studios go by the name Secret Superstar. If you haven't followed this page, make sure to follow this page on all the social media handles, especially YouTube, and subscribe. Put out some post notification. We are finally out.